Craving comfort food? Watch this for the best creamy pork neck steaks. Trust me, you'll want to watch this entire video to see just how easy it is to create this restaurant-worthy dish at home. Let's get cooking. First things first, we'll heat up some vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot and shimmering, we'll add our pork neck steaks, cut into roughly even pieces. Sear the steaks for a few minutes on each side until they develop a nice golden brown crust. Imagine the aroma of that roast meat. While the steaks are searing, give them a good sprinkle of salt and pepper. The meat already looks very tasty, but the main magic is yet to come. Now we'll move on to the vegetables. Slice up a big onion, about 230 grams. In a separate pan, heat up some more oil and add the sliced onions. Fry them until they soften and turn translucent. Let's keep cooking, but don't forget to like me. I tried my best. While the onions are cooking, we'll chop up our mushrooms. We'll use a combination of 500 grams button mushrooms and 150 grams oyster mushrooms. Once the onions are golden, add the chopped mushrooms to the pan and cook them with the onions for a few minutes until they start to release their juices. Don't forget to season the mushrooms with a pinch of salt. We want everything nice and flavorful. Now, back to our pork. We'll create a delicious layer in the pan. First, add the fried onions and mushrooms to the bottom of the pan. Next, pour in 100 milliliters of milk. This will create a creamy sauce for our dish. Finally, carefully place the seared pork neck steaks on top of the creamy mushroom layer. Let's add some fresh herbs for extra flavor. Finely chop some parsley and dill to taste. We'll also mince 4 cloves of garlic. Sprinkle the chopped herbs and garlic over the pork neck steaks. Cover the pan and let everything simmer for another 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt together. At the end, you can give everything a quick stir to combine the sauce and meat.